Bentley has unveiled the new Flying Spur facelift, updating its flagship Grand Tourer with revised styling, expanded luxury features, and a powerful new hybrid drivetrain. The new model adopts a cleaner exterior design inspired by Bentley's latest Continental GT family. A key change is the return of single front headlamps to a Bentley sedan for the first time since 1962, alongside redesigned bumpers, smoother body surfaces, new rear lamps, and fresh wheel options. Bentley has also introduced a new dark teal paint finish. The headline version is the Flying Spur S, now powered by Bentley's high-performance hybrid system. It produces 680 horsepower and 930 Newton-meters of torque, making it the most powerful Flying Spur S yet. Bentley says it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and reach a top speed of 191 miles per hour. To match the extra performance, the Flying Spur S receives Bentley's Performance Active chassis, including active all-wheel drive, torque vectoring, a 48 volts active anti-roll system, updated stability control, and an electronic limited slip differential. Inside, Bentley has expanded personalization options with 5 seat styles, new handcrafted finishes, and access to Mulliner Virtuoso collection. This includes a 21-speaker Naim for Mulliner audio system and 3 curated interior themes: soprano, tenor, and bass. Production is scheduled to begin in Crewe in September, with first customer deliveries expected in most markets in early Q4 2026. Guys, what do you think about the new Flying Spur? Please let us know in the comments. Thanks.